I took 2 months of convincing on my part that, no, this will work. I mean, of course, I was on the radar. You know, there's a list of people, and there's a director also.
Yes.
Who's not from TVF as such, or who's not worked in the past with TVF. So, ऐसा उसको भी convince करना है ना कि वो है. So it did. Because I'm clarifying because I knew this people would feel like, yeah, इनका तो ऐसे ही होगा भाई, ये तो आपस में करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है भाई. It's a very rigorous process. Prabhat तो पहला इंसान है that you have to cast. I think in any show like this of this structure, you have to cast that person first, and then everything else, even the design, sometimes even the clothes will then start falling in place around that.
Like
person.
I remember when I met Rahul after I signed, my picture was the last one to go on that casting board. The whole tree was ready, and when Gargi had a question mark, and I thought,
so technically, Prabhat की photo सबसे पहले जाएगी, और फिर the world will build around that, and it is then therefore the most important decision of the show also, because it will define what the show becomes eventually. So because it's so important, it needs to be rigorous. आप मान लो कि हाँ अमोल बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करता है जो भी है, but let's make sure that what we are getting into, the character, the world, the vibe, everything. मतलब ये दूल्हे वाला है कि फूफा जी भी आएंगे, मामा जी भी आएंगे. Everybody needs to be convinced. It's a very, very important decision. I feel, and which is why there's more weight also on your shoulders. कि भाई people really need to have faith in you कि हाँ this person will carry a show or a film on the shoulders or whatever how they say. तो वो लगा थोड़ा convincing. I mean, it's not like they were not. It started from zero to whatever. There was discussions. I just had to convince, get every चाचा मामा फूफा सबको पकड़ के एक करके थोड़ा सा convince करना कि नहीं I will do it. I really want to do it, and this is why, and this is how I may be the best choice. और वो मान गए.
But does it give you a sense of pride at the same time, a sense of I'm forgetting a word, which means you're holding an entire project in your hand because you're the first one to cast it. Responsibility, yes.
Yes. Responsibility, excitement also. I mean, these are very fluid things. Excitement, anxiety, they all kind of like live in the same room, I think.
Confidence also as well.
Confidence, yes. Actors vie for this kind of responsibility, but you also have to be ready for it because it is. Thankfully, I have done it in the last few years. This is not my first time, but it can be slightly nerve-wracking because if it goes well, even if not because of you, if it goes well because of the camera work, the music or whatever, आप credit ले जाओगे. And if it doesn't go well, तो वो टिकट भी आप पे ही फटेगा. So वो वाला एक रहता है कि ये किधर जाएगा, that can really define what happens to you or your career or your confidence. In the second line of thing, you are not in the firing line. अच्छा हो या बुरा बोला, उसने अच्छी एक्टिंग की, कोई बात नहीं, फिल्म अच्छी. So there is safety in that. This is, you are right in the firing line. This is fighting the battle, the war on the front lines. So it's, all those things mixed.
On the lighter note, you are an IITian. What's make you to leave that? I mean, it's a very...
That's not a lighter note, very heavy note. I mean, it's a difficult thing to go to, but please complete your question.
What's there in IIT that most of the people leave IIT and get into art fund? Your clients...
नहीं, most नहीं है यार.
अच्छा, जो भी है, but
गिनती कि आप कितने 20 लोग होंगे? 20 होंगे ना?
But that's a big number, right?
Yeah, but that's not most. There are 400 people in my batch. And then 4 batches, there are like 5,000 people. But yes, it does seem like that because this is a profession where you get attention and people know your name and all. But there are many countless hundreds, thousands, lakhs of IITians who are not in this industry and who are doing well in life and doing great things. But मैं जब आया था तब मुझे लगा था कि मैं अकेला ही होऊंगा. I thought I would be the only one, और कोई मैंने सुना नहीं है कभी गया नहीं. फिर मुझे कान में सुनने में आया कि अरे और लोग भी हैं. Because I would meet someone and think IIT, अरे मैं किसी और से भी मिला. तुम जानते हो क्या एक दूसरे को? एक तो people assume that all IITians know each other, but ऐसा नहीं है. Then so I figured there are 5, 6, 7 more people that I'm hearing of. There is some free radicals out there. When I met them, they were all these people: Arunab, Bisupati, Amit. तो ये सब IITians जो घूम रहे थे उनको I think Arunab brought them under in one room, and and that's where TVF was born. I was more focused on theatre and acting, so I didn't know what to contribute, so I continued with that. But there was always a connection, there was always a camaraderie, there was always mutual respect and admiration and worldview. I think you have, when you have similar backgrounds in education, you have similar worldview. Your language, how you discuss, how you think of the world is same. तो हम कहानियाँ फिल्में भी वैसे ही उस भाषा में बात करते हैं जब लगता है हाँ इसको मेरी बात समझ में आएगी. So, but yeah, we may have inspired another generation, and I know we have. I'm not proud of it. It's their call. It's their risk to take. I'm not a leader. I'm not. मेरे पे नहीं है भाई. मैंने नहीं बोला किसी को कूदने के लिए. अगर आप कूदो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पे कूदो. बाद में नहीं बोलना कि आप इनको देख के कूदा था. So, but yes, it does feel like अरे बड़े सारे आ रहे हैं, but बहुत कम आ रहे हैं. I mean, it's not most. It's not even 10%. It's not even 5%. It's a small, very small number.
But I'm very curious because when you say IITian, there's a lot of expectation of family, right? How you convinced your parents? I'm sure.
No, मैं क्रेडिट उनका है. क्रेडिट ये नहीं है कि आई थिंक मैंने कैसे कन्विंस किया. क्रेडिट उनका है कि येस दे वर वरीड. उनको चिंता हुई, स्ट्रेस्ड हुआ, शायद नींदें हराम हुई 2 साल 3 साल के लिए. बट दे डिडंट उन फीलिंग्स को उन्होंने वहाँ तक नहीं आने दिया कि वो मुझे रोके या मुझसे लड़े या मुझे डांटे. एंड that's a credit I give them. It's not easy.
And now when they see you, what they feel?
अब तो बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गए. So that is I think a stamp of approval.
See me every day.
तो अब तो वो stamp of approval है कि हाँ यहीं रहना है शायद, यहीं है. This is a long term game. बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गए हैं. And of course, I mean their worst fears have not come true.
Okay.
But it's still an uncertain job. थोड़ा सा एक वो है कि देख ले कुछ और. In terms of not leave this and do something else, but do something that is stable also on the side. Whatever business, दुकान खोल ले यार. कुछ एक महीने का एक फिक्स तो आए. महीने का फिक्स is an idea that makes them feel safe and secure, and all they want for their child is to have a good life and feel safe. So ये उनका ही मतलब मैं तो अब ज़्यादा रियलाइज़ करता हूँ. उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था कि अरे क्या परेशान, मुझे क्यों परेशान कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास भी जवाब नहीं है. But I guess as you grow older, you understand your parents more and more. So I understand their sacrifices in terms of what they went through, but didn't let me get affected by that.